Are these bees? Tom was just in the backyard and there's like a swarm outside.
In the fire.
They swarm. They swarm like that.
What the? They're swarming.
What's going on here today?
So there's bees, like bees. So today our dad was sitting like there and he was watching TV and then he saw like a swarm of bees. Then he told us, and then our friends came over, and then straight when our friend came over, the bees like started to swarm over there. Like it been like
And we have a beekeeper here.
It's been like 4 hours.
What's the beekeeper doing?
Taking care of the bees, and it's gonna give us a jar of honey.
And who does he have to find in that whole swarm?
The queen bee.
The queen. Yep. All right. Still working on it.
Yeah, unfortunately, yes, I think I agree with you.
So here's the bee's nest. We had a bunch of bees come before and create a swarm in our yard. And we're having a beekeeper come to remove them. I wonder how many bees are in there. We'll see what happens. It's a baby swarm.
Well, if you take, and as long as we get the queen in the box, they'll all go in the box.
Gotta find the queen.
Mom, are you gonna put this on your teeth?
Why start running? I can't run, so you know that's probably worth the video.
See, now they don't even care. They don't even care that he's right next to them.
Hey, that's why.
Oh my goodness.
They're mad.
Can we get stung for that soon?
No.
I don't know.
Goal is to find the queen and get her in the box.
Once they get her in the box,
So if the queen goes to the box, they will all eventually just follow it. We just got to make sure we got her. Bunching up there, not there.
I know, he's literally here at the box. I'll send you a picture. Okay, bye.
The only problem is if you take too many times trying to gather the queen, they all get so mad, and honeybees can only sting once. They'll end up killing about a quarter of the population just trying to get rid of you.
Yeah, yeah.
But they do like water sources too. So not, is there chlorine in the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe not the pool, but.
Okay, we should have got the queen now. See if they keep swarming on the fence post or if they move into the box. Got all the bees.
Well, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for coming.
No problem.
Wait a minute,
I'm making a YouTube video?